Hi, welcome to Cell Biology for Humans. I'm Jeremy and I'm here to talk about the videos that go along with this book. Now, the videos are an important part of the book. They're basically the lectures. And if you're taking this class as a hybrid class, then this basically is the lecture material. It's what we would have done in class. So don't skip them. They're important. Treat them just like any other lecture. You should be taking notes, asking questions, or noting them when you don't understand something, and then talking to me about it later on. I fully recognize when I was writing this book that not everybody learns the best through reading. I mean, you never go into a class and have the professor say, here's the book, come back in 10 weeks and take the final exam. We don't learn well, at least not completely, through reading. We need some sort of human interaction, and I think videos, although they're not live, are at least a good proxy for having that sort of human-to-human interaction. They're nothing fancy, but they are meant to go along with the book. You can watch them whenever you want, really, and just treat them as a supplement to the book. Very often the videos will go into the details that I didn't bother going into in the book. Why take 3 pages to explain something really technical when a 5 or 10 minute video can do? And most of the videos are 5 or 10 minutes. Even the longer ones are just 15. So they're brief, you can pause them, rewind them, and take notes as you will. In some ways it's a lot easier than interacting in a normal class where things just kind of flow by and sometimes you miss it. So I hope that helps for you. There's a couple other features in the videos that may be helpful to you that I'd like to point out here. So one, as you watch a video, as you see this one here, along the bottom you have that red progress bar, and I put in what are called chapters. You can hover over that bar and look at different sections so that you can see what that section is about. Maybe you're looking for something specific, so you can just click on that section and skip right to it. Sometimes that helps when you're going back to look for something really specific. The other one is the closed captioning. I didn't go in and put in a full transcript of everything I said, but YouTube does a pretty good job with this. So it's not perfect, but sometimes it really helps to read it along the way. Maybe you miss a couple of words, maybe I muttered on something. You can even actually translate it into any language you want. You change your closed caption settings. So if that helps you, I'd be curious to see how that goes for you. Well, that's a quick overview of how to use the videos. Again, they're an important part of the class. Don't skip them. They're pretty much just like lectures. They recap some of the important parts of the reading in the book, but also extend that quite a bit as well in many cases. So how do you access the videos? Obviously, you can't click directly in the paper copy of the book, although many people like to have that. So you'll need a PDF or some other electronic version of the book where you can click on the links that appear just the way they do in the paper copy of the book. You can also kind of shortcut that method. You can go to jjb.biology, my YouTube channel, and that will have a playlist, Cell Biology for Humans, which you can maybe bookmark in your browser, and all the videos are listed right in order. Then you can watch them whenever you want. Recommend that you watch them in conjunction with reading that section so that it all kind of comes together in one place. Well, I hope that helps you to get the most out of these videos and that you enjoy learning biology. Have a great time.